Madden coming back to you for another Madden mobile video. Today we will be opening one Ghost of Madden player pack. Now in this pack we can get anywhere from an 88 to I think a 98. Anywhere from Armstead, Clowney, Odell, Mariota, and then there's Hopkins. And then there's higher ones with Brooks and Revis and Strahan. Let's see what we get. I'm going to do the cover tactic. And I don't see an update team. Gemini Clowney, not what I wanted. One of the crappier ones. But, oh well. Well, comment in this section below what you've got. And I'll catch you next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.